We're here at CES at the launch of the Impossible Burger 2.0. This is the Impossible Burger. This is a burger for Shake Shack. I've never tasted this one. I love to eat Shake Shack burgers, so we're gonna see which one we like. Let's start with the new Impossible Burger. This is the 2.0. As you can see, it looks a lot like meat. It's very rare and red, and somehow does not come from a cow. It has the same sort of like moist, meaty texture that you get from like a rare hamburger. And I have to admit, I've had the original Impossible Burger. I had it for the first time a couple days ago. I thought it tasted a little bit like sawdust. I'm not getting a lot of sawdust out of this one. It's pretty good. Now we'll try the Shake Shack burger, which is a little bit cold, but it is also real beef. And it's pretty good. This is fresher, hotter off the grill. This is like older. This is moister. There's still like a definite beef taste out of this, but not something that I'm missing in this. I think there's a big difference in the texture. Like it's a really solid upgrade, as one would expect from a 2.0.
The team, and I wasn't there, I can't claim any credit, discovered that heme, a molecule in all living things, but in incredibly high concentrations in animal muscle and in beef, was responsible for really key for the flavor. But in 2.0, what we had to do to get the improvements in texture and so forth was really understand how all the ingredients come together. You know, when you put different plant ingredients together, some flavors work, some flavors don't. Some really give you the change when you cook it perfectly, and others don't. And so understanding this as a system was really the key scientific breakthrough for 2.0. I love the juiciness if you make a rare burger on the grill. I mean, to bite into something like that and get this juice coming out and the flavor, it's terrific. I also like to chew. You know, it just feels more like, really like beef in your mouth.
And again, I said the first Impossible Burger tasted a little bit like sawdust, which is cool, but this one's actually really delicious. And I've eaten a lot of vegetarian burgers. I was a vegetarian for 5 years, went back to meat, and I wish I'd had something like this at the time. This tastes like the future.